In this video, we will show you how to update ISL Conference Proxy with a new license file. This is a short but necessary process upon renewing ISL Online's extended support services to ensure our self-hosted solution continues to receive updates and upgrades. Alright, so once we're logged into islonline.com, let's click on Server License in the left side menu. From there, we can proceed to click on Create Packet on the right side of the server in question. Once we click Create, a new license file with the renewed ESS can be located to the right of the newly created packet. So let's just download that and head over to our ISL Conference Proxy server and click on Administration. Once logged into the admin console, we can then go to Licenses under Manage Software, click on the Choose File button, select the newly downloaded license file, and click Open. From there, all we need to do is click on Install and restart ISL Conference Proxy when prompted to do so. While it doesn't usually take more than a few minutes, we do recommend updating the ESS outside of working hours. Okay, so once ISL Conference Proxy is restarted, you'll be prompted to go back to the session, where we are able to see the installed license with the new ESS expiry date, confirming that the update was successful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.